Okay, good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for your participating today. So for today, I want to present about my topic for analysis strategic management, BMW Group. So first of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Rosella Miredo Miranda Cruz with students number 2407020439. So first of all, start with the company profile. So the official name of this company is Bioris Motoren Work AG, or more globally we know as BMW Group. The company was founded in 1916 and is headquartered in Munich, Germany. So they have over a century of experience in the industry. So currently, BMW is the global market leader in the premium automotive and mobility segments. So to face the future, the BMW Group's main focus is on three important pillars. The first, electrifications or development of electric vehicles, digitalization of driving technology, and a commitment to environmental sustainability. The next, for their vision, mission, and purpose and future focus. So for their vision is to be the world's leading provider of premium products and premium service for individual mobility. For their mission is to provide innovative, high-quality products and mobility solutions that excite customers and create sustainable value. So for their purpose and future focus is the first, electrification, the second, digitalizations, and sustainability. For electrifications, leading the transition to BEVs with a goal of 50% electric sales by 2030. For digitalization, software-defined vehicles with immersive user experience and connectivity. For sustainability, commitment to circular economy and net zero carbon by 2050. So the next, for industry context, in the 2024 until 2025 period, the automotive industry will experience major changes due to the development of electric vehicles, increasing finance competitions, stricter environmental regulation, supply chain issues, and the increasing use of software and AI technology in vehicles. The next, for risk identification, the first is external and the second is internal. For external risk include pressure from emission regulation, increasing market competitions, economic instability, geopolitical risk, and climate change. Meanwhile, internal risk include high research and production costs, dependence on battery raw material supplies, cybersecurity threats to internet connect vehicles, and the company's operation complexity. So these risks can impact BMW's performance, cost, and business sustainability. So the next, for PESTEL analysis, there are political, economic, social, technological, legal, and environmental. So for the first is political factors such as government policy, trade, tariffs, and geopolitical conditions impact the automotive industry. So the government support for electric vehicles can create opportunities, while international conflict can disrupt the supply chain. For the second, economic, global economic conditions affect production cost and consumer purchasing power. Inflation, interest rate, and economic inflections can impact vehicle sales and company profits. For the third is social, so lifestyle change and public awareness of the environment are driving demand for more environmentally friendly vehicles. So consumers are also increasingly prioritizing safety, comfort, and modern technology. For technological developments such as electric vehicle, batteries, artificial intelligence, or AI, and autonomous vehicles are creating new opportunities while requiring companies to continuously innovate to remain competitive. The next for legal. So BMW must comply with various legal regulations, such as emission standards, customer data protections, vehicle safety, and labor regulations in the various countries in which the company operates. The last one is environmental. Climate change and sustainability demands are driving BMW to reduce carbon emissions, increase research efficiency, and implement circular economic concepts in its production process. Next, about the ESG analysis, there are environmental, social, governance. For environmental, BMW focused on reducing CO2 emissions and using sustainable raw materials such as lithium and cobalt to support the production of more environmentally friendly vehicles. The next for social, BMW has attentions to the well-being and diversity of its employees and ensure customer safety and the protection of personal data in the use of vehicles and digital service. For governance, BMW implements strong corporate governance through compliance system, transparency, and anti-corruption policies to maintain integrity and stakeholder trust. For the SWOT, there are strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. For the strengths, strong premium brand, advanced engineering and innovation, and global market presence. For weakness, high production cost and dependence on global supply chains. For opportunities, EV market growth and digital mobility service. And for the threats, there are intense EV competitions, regulatory pressures, and supply chain disruptions. Now we move to the EV metrics. So there are strengths and weakness. And the EV matrix is used to assess the strengths of a company's internal positions based on its strengths and weakness. So for the rating, for strengths, a rating of 3 or 4 indicates the company's core strengths. For weakness, a rating of 1 or 2 indicates an internal problem that must be addressed immediately. So for a rating of 2 means a minor weakness, and rating of 1, a major. The next for, sorry. So for final score is 2.63. That means this indicates that the company's overall internal position is quite strong. Their internal strengths have been quite effective in leveraging strengths to minimizing internal weakness. For the FA matrix, for FA matrix, there are opportunities and threats. The FA matrix is used to measure how well a company responds to opportunities and threats in their external business environmental, such as market, regulations, and competitors. For the rating, 1 to 4 indicate how effective the company's current strategy is in responding to external factors. For 4, that's the rating 4, that means excellent or superior response. 1 means very poor response. for the score, similar to the IFE, the mean score is 2.50. A score of 2.71 indicates that the company is highly effective, responsive to external conditions. They have successfully capitalized on existing opportunities, such as the high demand for electric vehicles with the highest opportunity for a score of 0.56. And while also being well prepared to mitigate threats from major competitors like Tesla and BID, or trade score of 0.28. So the next, we move to governance structures and governance framework. The first, governance structures. There are board of management or executive, supervisor board, audit committee, and risk management system integrate company-wide. So for board of management, are responsible for running the company's operations and making day-to-day business decisions. For supervision, oversee the performance and decision made by the board management to ensure they are in line with the company's objectives. And for audit committee, ensures that the financial reports, internal control, and audit process run smoothly. And the last, for risk management system integrate company-wide. Risk management system are implemented throughout the company to identify and control various risks. Next, for governance framework, they're based on German Corporate Governance Code. So BMW's German Corporate Governance Code applies the corporate governance principle applicable in Germany. For integrate enterprise risk management, is managed in an integrated manner across all parts of the organizations. Next, for compliance management system, a system that ensures companies comply with applicable laws, regulations, and standards. And for internal audit and control system, internal audit and control are carried out to maintain transparency, accountability, and operational effectiveness. So I think that's all for my presentation. Do you guys have any question? You can ask me. Yes, Karya, please.
Okay, Zia, I wanna asking about considering BMW identify weakness of high production cost and dependence on global supply chains. How would you apply their specific strengths in advanced engineering and innovation to navigate the ongoing supply chain challenge involving semiconductor and raw materials? Is clear?
Can you
Yeah?
translate to bahasa Indonesia?
Oke. Jadi mempertimbangkan kelemahan BMW yang teridentifikasi berupa tingginya biaya produksi dan ketergantungan pada rantai pasokan global. Lalu bagaimana kamu akan menerapkan kekuatan spesifik mereka dalam rekayasa lanjutan dan inovasi untuk menghadapi tantangan rantai pasokan yang sedang berlangsung terkait dengan semikonduktor dan bahan baku? Is clear ya?
It's clear.
Oke, thank
Let
you.
me find my answer first. Okay, I think I will answer with bahasa Indonesia. Jadi BMW itu memiliki keunggulan mereka sendiri. Jadi mereka tuh bisa memanfaatkan AI or artificial intelligence. Jadi mobil-mobil mereka itu nantinya gak uh, terlalu tergantung sama satu jenis atau satu bahan baku saja. Mereka tuh bisa memanfaatkan bahan baku dari negara-negara lain. Misalnya kayak China, ya. And selain itu, mereka juga bisa pakai teknologi digital buat kayak memantau rantai pasok secara real time. Jadi uh, ini tuh um, bisa menghindari risiko macetnya pasokan bahan baku, jadi produksi mereka bisa tetap jalan lancar dan aman terkendali. Itu jawaban dari saya. Apakah bisa terjawab atau masih bingung?
Oke, jadi tadi solusinya udah ngejawab sih. Thank you, Jia.
Yeah, thank you for your question. Is that more question? Any other question?
I wanna ask, in the mid of first competition for premium electric car from new competitors like Tesla or China's brand, how does BMW implement its product development and market penetration strategies simultaneously so as not to lose its traditional market share? So please explain using simple terms and examples.
Can you translate to bahasa Indonesia? Sorry.
Eh, nah, intinya itu di tengah persaingan yang sengit di antara mobil-mobil listrik premium kayak Tesla or brand Cina, itu bagaimana BMW bisa menerapkan strategi pengembangan produk secara bersamaan agar tidak kehilangan pangsa tradisionalnya. Jelaskan kayak menggunakan istilah dan contoh sederhananya. Thank you.
Thank you. Jadi intinya itu BMW akan bikin produk baru atau mobil listrik untuk dijual ke pelanggan mereka saat ini. Jadi mereka tuh kayak main aman tapi cerdas. Jadi gini, daripada bikin brand baru atau yang asing, BMW memilih mengembangi versi listrik dari mobil-mobil yang masyarakat udah kenal banget bentuk dan kenyamanannya itu. Jadi mereka memilih untuk buat apa namanya mobil listrik. Contohnya mereka rilis BMW i4 atau versi listrik dari seri 4 itu. Jadi konsumen tradisional yang pengen nyoba mobil listrik gak perlu adaptasi terlalu jauh gitu. Karena rasa berkendara dan kemewahan dan nama besar BMW-nya tetap dapat, cuma mesinnya aja yang berubah jadi listrik gitu. Terus jadi konsumen lama gak kabur ke Tesla dan konsumen baru tetap melirik BMW. Itu sih jadi mereka tuh rilis mobil listrik itu biar konsumernya itu gak lari ke Tesla. Gitu loh. Itu sih dari perspektif.
Itu udah rilis atau masih konsep selanjutnya?
Udah rilis. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you for your question. So, thank you so much for your question, and I think it's enough for my presentation. Thank you so much, and good afternoon.